Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi ka pa healed. At okay lang kung aaminin mo yan. Hindi dahil mahina ka, kundi dahil may mga sugat ka pang pinipilit takpan ng mga ngiti. You say that you're okay, pero sa totoo lang, triggered ka pa rin. You say wala na, pero bumabalik kapag mag-isa ka. Healing is not pretending. Healing is facing the truth kahit alam mong masakit. And hindi ka pa healed kung hinahanap mo pa rin ang closure sa taong hindi kayang ibigay yun. Reality check, hindi lahat ng sugat, oras ang gamot. Minsan, kailangan mo ng boundaries. Minsan, kailangan mong piliin yung sarili mo. And here's the motivation. Gusto kong isipin mo na hindi ka late sa buhay. You're just being rebuilt. And what hurts you today will teach you how to protect yourself for tomorrow. So, slow down, heal properly, because the next chapter of your life need a stronger and a wiser you. Please like, comment, and share kung marami kang natutunan sa video ko. And don't forget to follow this account. Itag mo na rin yung mga friends mo and relatives mo na alam mo kailangan yung message ko. Yun lang.